Okay. Ooh, that's a Russian car. Ooh, that's gorgeous, bro. That is dope. That person is... Alright, you're a jerk. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing today? And on today's vlog, we are in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, and we're just chilling. We got Queens in front of us and Manhattan to the left. And we're just cruising about. No real point to this vlog, no real lesson. Just me cruising, me exploring. Good old vlogs, you know, like people ask me if there is a point to this. Actually, nobody asked me that. Like literally not a single person have ever asked me if there's a point to this, but I'll tell you, there is no point to any of this. I do love Long Island City over there. Sure is gorgeous. It's like a crazy police car over here, murdered out. Look at this view. Bro, I would live here in a second. It's just not cheap around here. Not cheap at all. No balconies either, unless you're on the lower floor, which is, you know, it's okay. Love all that all the construction over there, like all the look at the puppy dogs too. New buildings. I'm such a big fan. Puppy dog. This thing sounds like a freaking sewing machine. It's hilarious. I can't believe it's February and we got what is this, a stop sign? Is this some sort of a stop? Maybe. It's February like 20th and we have this kind of weather. Let's see. Let's look at this one on. Love these buildings. Got some Ubers here. Super adorable. Kind of like the other view better. It's kind of neat though. You live in this building and Uber just pulls up right there. Got this, even though there's no stop signs for me. Do not enter. Yeah, this whole park is new. I'm going to turn around. Look at this. I have not been here in a while. I'm a humongous fan. Jump for joy. Jump in Jesus. And look at this Jeep. That's adorable. banana pudding. Fuck, this bike moves. Yeah, like there's no point, there's no coherency, there's no anything to this vlog. This vlog is just back to the basics, back to the freaking, you know, chillaxing on the bike, just cruising for sake of cruising. Speaking of cruising for sake of cruising, I really like this place, Eagle Trading Co. They make a hell of a sandwich. They make one hell of a sandwich here. I'm actually impressed with them. Oh, I think the fan kicked in. Gotta do some returns to Amazon, but that place doesn't open till 11, so I'm actually gonna go home and grab all that crap in a second, and then you know, figure it out. There's some speed cameras around here, so you gotta calm your balls. Calm your balls. That's a good pizza place. Except it's... Oh man, I was about to freaking... What's the problem with this bike? Too quick! Too fucking quick! And I'm in touring mode. I'm not even freaking... I'm not even, you know... I'm not even making banana bread. Sorry. I'm not trying to freaking go around you, but I am. Breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law. Yeah, it's time for me to go home and eat some pancakes with some sausages. And I gotta replace my door lock. My freaking door lock broke. I have a small list of things I gotta take care of. A small list, I tell you. Ooh, that's gorgeous, bro. That is dope. That is that person is... Alright, you're a jerk. That dude literally did some crazy shit. He did some shit that I would do. Impressive. Montclair, genius. Fancy ass stores around here. Everything is fancy around here. Around these here parts. Am I impressed? Nah, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed by much. I'm only impressed by intellect and spirituality. I'm not impressed by material bullshit and you know, all that crap. Everybody's going out to brunch. It's a perfect Sunday activity. Can I blame them? Absolutely not. You absolutely cannot blame anybody for anything. The only person I can blame is this person for going so slow. There we go. Take a little right. Oh no, actually I need to take a left. Fuck. It's a Sunday. Triumph is closed. Brooklyn Triumph right here. Make the decision to be happy. Okay. Ooh, that's a Russian car. That thing is dope as fuck. That was a Russian car back there, up there. Love those. Alright. What time we got? 10:11. Genesis GV70. Dun dun dun. There we go. Get ahead of everybody. I don't think anybody cares too much. What I really want is some dumplings right now. Now that would hit the flipping spot. Alright, here we go. You got this, ma'ams. Ding dong, the witch is dead, the witch is dead, the witch is dead. Ding 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 ding. Oh yeah, holy shit, I have so much to talk about. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, we'll cover it another time, because I got so much to talk about. Look at the weed store, that's hilarious. These places are garbage. I don't even know if it's real weed. You know what I mean? Honestly. This thing is ready to pull a freaking wheelie. What? The bus is turning off? No. Alright. I'm gonna go home. I'm going to install this lock. And then I'm going to run a few errands. It's a beautiful thing. Actually got a lot to talk about with you boys and girls. There's a lot of vlogging to be done. Holy shit, that decap pipe is gonna make this baby sing. It's gonna make this baby sing. It's gonna make this baby sing a song about happiness all day long. Happiness all day long. Song, song, song. Happiness all day long. Oh no no no. 205 degrees. Relatively warm. Nothing a fan won't cure. Excuse me, excuse me. There we are. Oh. Ah. Yep. I like this guy. He's got his daughter, he's happy. Awesome. That guy just really made me happy. Look how smiley he was. What a beautiful family. She's wearing Jordans. It's really cool. Really cool. Man, I'm a sappy little bitch. I've been paying attention to different things lately. Maybe I need me a wife and a kid. Or maybe the fuck not. Maybe I just need a condo in this place. That balcony right there, that looks cute. Could just do that. Good. There we go. Going to the left. I do need to fix my door lock. Anyway, I'm not giving an explanation for anything. I just want to thank you for watching this video, you know. That's the only thing I can really tell you right now is thank you. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. Thank you. Make sure to ride safe, you know what I mean? And smile often. Okay? Alright? Okay? Alright? Okay. Bye.